Alright guys, wanted to make another short video for you here. I got my Craftsman 2.2 back on the bench. I finally got it converted over to 0.325. I couldn't find quite the bolt-on clutch drum for 325, so this is the one I thought would bolt up, but it was a hair taller. So it was pinching when you would tighten the clutch down. So had to get it just machined down a hair. So had enough clearance on there, but you know, fits perfect now. So that kit came with an 8-tooth, but lucked out. I opened up this kit I had for the 51, and the splines are the same. So now we got a 7-tooth and an 8-tooth, and the 325 we can play around with on this. Only had a 18-inch chain laying around right now, so sporting the 18-inch bar. But once the other chain comes in, I have another one of these Forester lightweights in a 16, so we'll put that on there, and it's probably the setup it'll stay with. But you know, now we got some options. But I'll post the video of it in the cut, and I'll have to get another one of it with the 7-tooth. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.